Once upon a time, you and I were in an elevator together. Now, don't worry, we're not stuck. It's not that kind of story. And we're at the top floor. There's 9 floors, and we're each going to the first floor. You pressed the button, and happened to be where I was going too. And I got curious about you. And in my head, I asked a question, and I decided to ask you out loud. And the question that I asked you, and you have 9 floors to answer this question. And I say to you, what is your purpose? What's your North Star? What's your vision? And since this story is a choose your own adventure story, I'm gonna let you step in and tell me what your answer is. Now, are you instantly fired up and you know the answer and it just flows out of you with joy and enthusiasm and excitement? Are you lit up on the inside? Or are you stumbling in your words to even find words because you're not quite sure how to answer this question? If you're not sure, if as you're choosing your own adventure right now, you're leaning into the side where you're not sure how to define it and the words aren't coming, then that's okay. I have something for you. It's something that I just thought of last night, and I'm so excited about it that I just wanted to share. And you were my first opportunity to share this. You see, let's rewind to a few days ago. I was hosting something that I call Bravery Bootcamp with my clients, who are all men working on overcoming pornography addiction. And we focus a bit on our North Star, our vision, our purpose. It's a very important place to focus. And one of my clients said to me, she goes, I wish there was a way to simplify my North Star. And that got me thinking. Over the next few days, which led to last night, it struck me. It's the vision, the purpose, and your North Star, a template that works for 100% of everyone. And it doesn't matter if you know how to crystal clear define it beyond the template right now. That will come, the details of that will come. So are you curious? Do you want to know what it is? My North Star can be your North Star, but the details will be different. My North Star is anything that brings excitement and requires courage. Anything that cultivates joy and gratitude. And anything that allows for more love and compassion. As long as I'm doing something or thinking about something or putting energy, effort, thoughts, action, creativity into one of those things, or all of them, it could be all at once, it might just be 1 or 2 of them. As long as that's happening, I am in alignment with my North Star. I am in alignment with my North Star. And when I'm in alignment, then I don't need any autocorrection in that moment. I'm living life in accordance to my North Star lifestyle. And I want you to borrow that template if it resonates with you. And that's anywhere where you are on the spectrum of being so disconnected from what your purpose is to being so on point and knowing crystal clear what it is. This template, this North Star template, works for all of us. And I just wanted to share that with you, because I know that many of you are out there struggling, not knowing what the heck your purpose is, and feeling like you're floundering, and it's a really unsettling feeling. But as long as you live by the North Star template, It will fill you up. It will fill you up. It will fill you up. And if you are struggling from any addiction, I help men overcome pornography addiction and other sex-related addictions. When you live by the North Star lifestyle, it fills your neurology in such a way that you finally feel safe enough to release whatever addictive escapisms you might have in your current lifestyle. I will leave it at that, and thank you for the magical elevator ride with me.